Good morning YouTube, Afnan here. My pump, this is about 1300 liter per hour capacity with maximum height of Hmax of 1.2 meter, and has failed. This is an Altman AT-103. One of a good pump because it lasted a long time, and the problem with this pump, it ran for so long, never switch it off. The shaft hole has been, if you can see inside, the shaft for this rotor has been elongated. Okay, has been elongated, so it's operating intermittently. One thing good about this Altman AT-103 is the spindle. This shaft here is made out of ceramic, so it will last a long time. Don't buy a shaft that is made of stainless steel. It will not last. So this will last a very long time, and this pump had been running for I can't remember for how long, and it just failed yesterday probably, and I'm replacing it with a new pump. Okay, so I have this Altman AT-103. This works very well with the 20mm siphon. It doesn't need to have any adjustment, nothing, it just works. Obviously there's a lot of attachment, but I only use one to be on the same size as this. Which one did I need to use? Probably this one. Okay, no, the one without this attachment. Okay, let's put it aside. I don't need this, I do not need this, and I do not need this. I only need this, and this one has been glued to it. So I can buy the rotor, and this body is still good, but never mind, it's so cheap. Cost me 53 ringgit Malaysian. That's about $12 US. So this pump costs about $12 US, and usually I will not use the adjuster. I will just throw away this, so I leave it at that. And the shaft, as you can see, it is made of ceramic, so white in color. That's good. For aquaponic, don't ever buy the one with the stainless steel because it will not last. So power head is slightly different from the one that I bought earlier, because it's probably had been for some time. This is July 2017. You can written here July 2017 past, but probably I bought it about 2-3 years ago. And this one is slightly different, but the rating is the same. But this one, the old one, looks much better than the new one. Well, probably a different batch of manufacturing, or different manufacturer. Okay, installation is straightforward, very simple. Okay, I will use this, and I have this from the old pump, so I will just attach it like that or like that, depending which one goes in good. And this one is quite tight, it's quite snug. Okay, but well, as time goes, they do a different manufacturing. If I can see, I will use this If it's not that good, I will swap the rotor into the old body, because the old body is still good. Anyway, I just put it something like this, and then this will go like here, but the attachment is not that tight. So if it's not that tight, we have an alternative. What I'll do, I will put electrical tape around it for temporary. One trick, if you do not want to clean the pump or reduce the maintenance downtime or whatever they call it, what I do, I use a timer, digital timer. So I just program it that at every 3 hours I switch off the pump for roughly 1 or 2 minutes. So within the 24 hours you're going to switch it off about 8 times. Each of those switching off is about 2 minutes. Just nice. This pump, this controller, this timer can switch off about 8 times within the 24 hours. If you can have more switching off, is much better. Reason being, once you run the pump, it start to suck in also debris and whatever stuff that could clog the pump. So when you switch it off for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, it gives time. Once one thing is that there is water standing in this pipe. So that water, when you switch off the pump, the water will reverse flow and expel some of the debris from the pump. And also due to the gap of switching off, the fish will, if there's fish food stuck in the pump, it will come out and the fish can eat it. So that's why I do not really clean this pump very often. It just works until it fails. It doesn't get clogged up due to this reason. Okay, let's put it in. It's a very simple thing to do. Let's put it in. I'm quite busy for the last few months. I'm starting work in a new workplace. I'm retired, but I'm starting work in a new workplace, and that's why I have no time actually to do a lot of work on aquaponics. Okay, it's in. Okay, everything is in. The plug is very close by, and let's plug it in. Later on I will secure. That's a plug. Later on I will secure with cable tie. Okay, pump is running, and water is coming in. Right, water is coming in. Good. Is the 20mm siphon. So it works great with that Altman 103 or 1000 liter per hour. And I have few plants here. Let's remove. Okay, I do a cleaning. You can see there's a lot of roots, just to get it running without any problem. So get the root away from the siphon, and then it will be okay. Okay, that will do it. Back, put this back in. Siphon started. Put this back in. I need to do some replanting. Okay, it's flashing. Now you can see the water flow is much better. So let's see whether it will cut out without any problem. Let's give it a little more bypass. I do not like this way because of the splash. I can do something about it. Anyway, leave it at this. I'll fix it later. Okay, bye bye YouTube. Thank you very much.